These are the Jupiter Squared lenses, and I will be showing you how to remove and install them. So to remove them, you would to grab the two ends of the frame and push the lens out. And you're going to do the same with the other lens. So you're going to pull it and push. And that is how you remove them. And now, for installing them, you're going to put the back of the lens into the part that's closest to your ear of the glass of the frame. And then the rest of the lens should go in pretty easily. And as you can see, they don't move. And so you're going to do the same with the other lens. So you're going to put the back part of the lens into the part that's closest to your ear of the frame. And make sure it goes into the back groove. And then the rest of the frame of the lens should go right in. And they don't move. And that is how you install them.